Start by launching Valorant from your gaming platform. Get ready to dive into the action. Once in the main menu, click on Play to reveal game modes. Don't rush, take your time. Select Practice Range from the list. Features range from shooting targets to practicing abilities. Invite your friends to join the session by sending an invite. Collaborate in improving together. Wait for your friends to accept the invite. Use this time to check your equipment setup. Once everyone's in, enter the range. Get ready for some intense practice. Start with shooting range challenges to warm up. Test your aim and speed. Practice your agent's abilities. Coordinate with friends to strategize better. Switch roles to broaden your skills. Play as different agents to learn their techniques. End your session with feedback. Discuss strategies and personal scores with your friends. Always remember to have fun. Improve together and enjoy the game. Don't forget to repeat and practice consistently. The more you play, the better you'll get.